shoot, look at that. It's fogging up. Of course it is. So, what is up, people? I can't really do anything about the fog. Hi. This is a fog vlog. How's that? Why not? Might as well do a first ever, right? First ever fog vlog. So what's up, people? I'll try to wipe it off every so often, but I just want to do a quick vlog for today. I did not film anything yesterday, but yesterday I wound up going to the pizza place. Surprisingly, my stepdad actually wanted me to go this time, despite the other 3 or 4 times when it never turns out right because of one reason or another. Either I got sick or he got pissed for no reason or whatever. But he had me go to help him out because, like I said, with the hernia thing, and he still has to wait another week before he can even see a doctor to talk to them and then have the surgery set up. But he needed help with heavy lifting and stuff. I guess he needs that a couple times. I think the thing that really helped me this time was because we went in the afternoon instead of early in the morning. So instead of working for 16 hours straight, which no normal person does, yeah, sometimes they have the 2 jobs, which those type of people, I don't know how you do it, but you're definitely a modern Superman or woman. But I can't do that. But luckily it was only, he went in the afternoon at like 1 o'clock, or we did, and then stayed until, well, we got home at 1 o'clock, so it was still 12 hours, 10 of which were working, but 12 hours total, because it's an hour to get there, an hour to come back. So, yeah. Still bothered me a little bit. I still had the chest shit. So, I do still have it, but it's definitely only when I'm nervous or when I work for too much. Because sometimes it actually happens to me when I wash the dishes. If the dishes take more than like half an hour, that's when it starts bothering me and shit. So, I have a few more subscribers now. Might as well ask this again. Do you guys have any idea what it is that I have where it's definitely an anxiety thing? Or maybe it could be a heart thing? I don't know. But it's definitely anxiety related. Because, you know, when you work, working or exercise does actually increase anxiety on the body. Not anxiety overall, because exercise can actually give the give health benefits and emotional benefits. And that's so cool, where this is just a natural occurrence of them walking on the road like that, like it's nothing. That's so cool. Anyway, what was I saying now? Oh yeah, where if I exercise or work for more than like an hour or 2 or half an hour, depending on how vigorous it is, or if I'm into a situation that increases my anxiety, I will get this pressure and stuff in my chest. It's slightly hard to breathe, like a normal panic attack type of deal, but it's not a panic attack because I had one panic attack and that was when I went to the hospital. I have not had something like that. I guess that's above the clouds because I don't see it. I haven't had something like that since. But it's the chest thing, and the part that's really confusing to me is it includes burping. Where is it? Anyway, if you know what it is, let me know. Slight chest pressure and burping. When I'm anxious, I just burp and burp and burp and burp. And in certain cases, like when I had the girlfriend last year, and anytime she was over, it would make me throw up. Anytime I was in that situation, or even when I went to the movie theaters, I would want to throw up, but it wasn't as bad enough to actually throw up. But the girlfriend part was bad enough to make me throw up. But in general anxiety situations, it just makes me burp a hell of a lot. So if you guys know what that is, let me know, because it would be nice to actually find out what it is, so next time I actually go to the doctor, I can actually tell them what it is, since the doctors that I've gone to are only want to treat the symptoms and not the cause. That's why I was given stomach medicine and stuff, even though it obviously is not my stomach, because it'd be like this all the time, not just when I'm nervous. So if you guys know what it is, let me know. But yeah, at least I can say that I've at least completed one day at the pizza place with nothing going wrong. Finally, a day when I go there, come back, and he's not pissed off and screaming at me or my mom. So that's nice. Anyway, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye.